Home appliances, refrigerators, I think they're becoming a big deal, and everybody wants to now go to the next level. People have realized that you're at home, you want the absolute best. So we're going to talk about a refrigerator from Liebherr. Very premium. Features Liebherr's very easy fresh technology, and that is quite amazing. Maintains humidity and temperatures, various areas of the refrigerator that keep the vegetable, meats fresh for a much longer duration. It's a fridge that's customized according to our Indian market, and it features Liebherr's next generation inverter compressor. So lots and lots of cool things. Let's take a look at what all it can do. You know the part I really like the most? Separate cooling controls for fridge and freezer, and also within the entire refrigerator.
For over 65 years, Liebherr has made headlines for its refrigeration technology. The German brand has now arrived in India and is moving forward at a rapid pace. Liebherr's commitment to the Indian market is unparalleled. A shining example of this is the brand's manufacturing facility in Aurangabad, which highlights the production capacity of the German giant. Conceived as a greenfield project, this facility is centrally air-cooled and has state-of-the-art machinery complying with Liebherr's global manufacturing standards. Not so long ago, we reviewed their ultra-premium side-by-side refrigerator, the SPSES 8486, which gave us a taste of classic German engineering. We got such a good response and demand for more from all of you that we've decided to review another unique product by the brand. This is the TDCS 4765, part of Liebherr's frost-free lineup that comes with their unique EasyFresh technology. The major USP of this refrigerator is the EasyFresh technology that it comes with. This unique refrigeration tech maintains the right balance between temperature and humidity in the EasyFresh compartments. Maintaining consistent temperatures and optimum humidity, it ensures that our favorite fruits and vegetables remain fresh for longer durations. Specially designed high humidity and low humidity modes help maintain the natural freshness of food items stored in it, where you can store leafy and hard vegetables or fruits separately in the two independent compartments that are provided. Liebherr's attention to detail is apparent with the design of this refrigerator. In its cobalt steel finish, this custom-developed exterior helps to reduce fingerprint marks, a common sight on most refrigerators. The metallic door handle carries an ergonomic design that offers a firm grip and is also really easy to clean. But it's not just the aesthetics that impressed us, since the fridge's design also carries certain practical add-ons, like the fact that it comes with adjustable feet, which means that you can adjust it according to the surface that you have placed it on. Inside is a large and well compartmentalized cabin of the 4765. Lit up with Liebherr's signature LED lighting, the brand has optimally used the real estate at hand by providing dedicated compartments for all our needs. A special made-for-India spice box in the refrigerator that has been designed to make sure that all our beloved spices don't lose out on their aroma and remain fresh. Plus, an ice cream box in the refrigerator that maintains the texture of the ice cream for longer durations. No over-frozen or melting ice cream anymore. Liebherr also provides flexi drawers on the refrigerator which are crafted for handling small food items. But it is perhaps the fresh box that impressed us the most. This opaque box is specially designed to keep our meat and fish items fresh. This efficient use of the storage continues onto the doors of the fridge with extra large bottle shelves on them. Additionally, we get to see adjustable shelves in the refrigerator. Made out of toughened glass, these shelves are really sturdy and ensure longevity. Now onto the other tech present in this refrigerator that really makes this unit unique, the innovation in the cooling prowess. Carrying Liebherr's next-gen inverter compressor, the TDCS 4765 delivers optimum refrigeration performance while being energy efficient. Just like its premium sibling, the TDCS also carries Liebherr's signature duo cooling feature, featuring accurate and independent temperature controls for refrigerator compartments and the freezer. This fridge comes with two completely separate cooling circuits. Therefore, different spaces and different products can get completely different temperature treatments. To control all this tech, Liebherr provides a digital touch panel on the freezer door. Very easy to read, very easy to use. The final verdict? With the TDCS 4765, Liebherr has proved yet again how well they can adapt their top-of-the-line refrigeration technology into domestic appliances. With its premium looks, India-specific features and its unique Easy Fresh technology, the TDCS 4765 by Liebherr should be your next refrigerator.